Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video, we are going to continue with our HTML series. This is the fourth part of our series. In this video, we are going to look at paragraph tags. So let's get started. This is where we left in the last episode, which was where I was talking about attributes in HTML. So now we are going to learn about paragraph tags. Here in this video, I will be talking about 4 paragraph tags, and in my previous videos I have talked about p tag, which is used for writing text, but there are more. You can make changes in paragraph tags and make it look more efficient and more good looking. So here, the first tag, as you know, it is p tag. We type in like this, we type it like this is the p tag, where anything you write just prints. I'm just going to comment this thing from here till here. I'm just going to comment it. I've just commented all of these things so that I don't it does not appear as a blunder. So here I'm just going, this is the p tag, and this is used for writing text in the website. And now let me just open the live server and just show you how it is done. You can see the text is now here printed successfully. Now the second tag is called, now there are two things in this p tag. Now here no matter how much space I give in them in between, if I save it and run and see the result, you can see that it has taken no extra spaces than it is needed. The first thing is like this one, and the second thing is like I have written all of these 3 words in different lines, but now when I will save it and see that it has taken only the lines which are necessary and not directed and not written as in the source code. So this is the second thing about the p tag. So next tag I'm going to just talk about is, now regarding these issues, like the p tag does not take any spaces and not take any extra lines. We have 2 more tags called pre-tag and called a pre-tag. Now p tag just prints the text as directed in the source code. Now if I use pre-tag, you just type in pre and then type in anything. This, let us say I'm taking more spaces than usual. This is a pre-text. So this is the thing I have typed, and let's see this result. You can see all the extra spaces which I did over here, which I directed here, is now printed as directed. And you can see that even the font is the font is even not changed. You can see here the font here. Now you can see the the style of the T, and here in the you can see the T here. You can see the difference. And but in the pre-tag text, you can see the T over here is same as the T over here. No changes in the font style as well. So this is the pre-tag. Just press alt and Z, and here alt and Z, like if you want. So here you can see, and let me just take more spaces than usual. This is a pre text. So here in the you can see all the extra spaces is also here. You can see the spaces over here is also now being printing. This error with the p tag is also called poem error. So in poem we used different we used to write in different lines and take more spaces in places than usual. So to overcome, we have a pre-tag. So now we are going to talk about BR tag. Now about BR tag, I have discussed this tag earlier in my videos, so I won't go I'm just not going to tell about this more. You can just watch that video. So the next tag, it is just some brief overview. It is just a tag with no closing tag. It does not have a closing tag, and it just gives spaces. It just gives extra lines in between them. You can see in my earlier videos I have told about this. Here if I just uncomment it, just not comment, just here if I just uncomment it, and so we have this thing uncomment, and now just save this and run this. You can see all of these things are printed in different lines. So after underline, you can see there is no BR tag, so there is no space, there is no extra line here. They are all written in one single line. But when I put here a BR tag, save this, and what is the result? You can see after this is big, and then after this is big, a BR tag, when I inserted that, the next line is being using. So here the last tag of the day, we have HR tag. Now this is a new tag I'm just going to talk about. Now HR tag just creates a horizontal line whenever it also have no closing tag. It just draws a line whenever it is used. So let me just let us say I want to use I want to draw a horizontal line after p tag and before p tag. Now when I save this and I run this you'll see that a horizontal line is now here. So this is the doing of HR tag. Now it just creates a horizontal line. So these were some paragraph tags, and so this is it for today. If you find this informative, make sure you leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.